Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Ruth Power and today we're going to be hacking the main riff from Africa by Toto. This is a song that I've been learning. It was requested by a friend of mine who does cover videos and he wanted me to play keys on it. So I've been working on that and I thought, why not share it with you guys as well? So I'm going to perform, oh, that was Kitten. I'm going to perform that song for you now and then we'll get into hacking the riff. So we're starting with an A major chord, but we're just playing the 1 and the 5 in the left hand and the 1 and the 3, so it's the A and C sharp in the right hand. We're using that same pattern for the next 3 chords. So we've got A major, using the same shapes for a G sharp minor, and then a C sharp minor. Okay? Right, same shape. We're doing that 3 times. In the verse, we have a bunch of chords I'm just going to rattle through. So we're assuming that you're singing along with this. So, hear the drums echoing tonight. Okay, so the chords are B major, then we've E flat minor 7, A flat minor, A flat minor over G flat. Then we've got an A major over an E, then an E major, then let's say that this is a B major in the right hand with a G sharp in the left hand, then back to here, then we do it again, B major, E flat minor 7, G sharp minor, over F sharp, A major over E, E major, B major over G sharp. Okay. We do it a 3rd time. It's me as if to say, hurry boy. And then from this part, instead of going to the A over E, we're just going to jump it to the hurry, hurry boy, it's waiting there for you.